Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this time we will talk about parabolas opening upward with vertex is not on the origin. Yung origin ay nasa center of the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, just like this. This is the vertex. It's not located on the origin. Okay, the equation of parabola opens upward. We have x minus h squared equals 4a times the quantity of y minus k. There are actually 6 steps in terms of graphing this one. Number 1, find the value of a. Number 2, find the value of vertex. Number 3, directrix. Number 4, focus. Number 5, find the value of the two endpoints of latus rectum. This is the corresponding formula. As well as axis of symmetry, x equals h. In order for you to understand better, let's have an example. Shall we say you are tasked to sketch the graph of the quantity of x minus 2 squared equals 8 times the quantity of y minus 1. To find the value of a, you need to write 4a equals the number outside the parentheses, we have 8. Then, ang katabi ni a, we have 4 divided by both side by 4. Then, it will become 8 divided by 4. We have a equals 2. Next, we'll write this one. A equals 2. Next, we need to find the value of a vertex. To find the value of a vertex, just look at on the x-axis. We have negative 2. What is the inverse of negative 2? We have positive 2. Then, this is serve for h. How about key? To find the value of key, we need to locate it to the y-axis. We have y minus 1. As you can see, we have negative 1. The inverse of negative 1, we have positive 1. Therefore, our vertex is 2, 1. How to find the directrix? As we all know, directrix equals y equals k minus a. Just write to y equals, what is the value of k? We have 1 minus a. What is the value of a? We have positive 2. What is 1 minus 2? That is negative 1. Okay? Then we'll write it. We have directrix y equals negative 1. Next, we need to find the value of focus. How to find the value of focus? So just write focus. Then, use this formula. H k plus a. Okay, what is the value of h? We have positive 2. Then the value of k, positive 1. Plus the value of a. Okay, we have positive 2. It will become 2, comma, 1 plus 2, we have 3. Our focus is 2, 3. We'll write it. We have focus equals 2, 3. Endpoints of latus rectum. How to find the endpoints of latus rectum? Endpoints number 1 equals h plus 2a k plus a. What is the value of h? Okay, the value of h, we have 2 plus 2 times the value of a, we have positive 2. Then, comma, what is the value of k? We have positive 1. What is the value of a? We have positive 2. 2 plus 2 times 2, we have 4. Comma, 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 4, 6, 3. That is our endpoints number 1. And then we will write it. Okay? We have a positive 6, positive 3. So find endpoints number 2. How do we find this one? Use this formula. As We all know the value of vertex, we have 2, 1, and the value of A equals 2. To find endpoints number 2, we have, what is the value of H? We have 2, then minus 2 times the value of A, we have 2. Then, what is the value of K? Positive 1. Plus the value of A, positive 2. Simplify it, we have 2, then bring down minus 2 times 2, we have 4, then 1 plus 2 equals 3. What is 2 minus 4? We have negative 2, then right comma 3, open and close parentheses. Therefore, the value of endpoints number 2, we have negative 2, 3. Then write it to our list. Endpoints number 2, we have negative 2, 3. How to find the axis of symmetry? As we all know, the formula for axis of symmetry, we have x equals h. That's why we need to write x equals the value of h. We have 2. Then we can now sketch our given parabola. Continue our discussion. To graph this one, we need vertex, directrix, focus, the endpoints of latus rectum, we have endpoint number 1 and endpoint number 2, as well as axis of symmetry. First, we need to familiarize the Cartesian coordinate system, which is Cartesian plane. The vertical line is known as y-axis and the horizontal line is known as x-axis. First, we need to locate first the value of vertex 2, 1. Okay. Our first element should be located at x-axis. We have 2. Then we need to jump by 1. Okay? 1. So this is our vertex 2, 1. Next, we need to sketch the graph of our directrix. You say directrix, that is the fixed line of a parabola. Okay? We have y equals negative 1. We need to draw a horizontal line, a broken line. Just like this. Okay, make it straight, but based on our drawing, we have not straight line, so we need to assume that this is a straight line. Okay, this is now our directrix. Next, we need to locate the points of our focus 2 to 3. Our first element should be located at its axis, so we have 2. Then we need to jump by 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is now the location of our focus. Okay? Understood. The next, we need to locate the endpoints of latus rectum. We have endpoints number 1, 6, 3. Locate 6 at x-axis, then jump by 3. We have 6, then jump by 3. 1, 2, 3. Based on jumping, you need to locate or base to our y-axis or our number line. Then this is our endpoints number 1. Next, we'll locate the location of endpoints number 2, negative 2, 3. Our first element is negative 2. So locate it to our x-axis. We have negative 2. Then jump by 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? That is our endpoints number 2. Then afterwards, in terms of graphing, we need to connect from vertex to endpoints number 1. It goes like this. Okay, that is a figure of our endpoints number 1 from vertex to endpoints number 1. Then, as well as endpoint number 2 from vertex to endpoint number 2. That is known as parabola opens upward. To complete this one, we need to connect the 2 endpoints in order to visualize the length of latus rectum. Okay? Just like that. The next, we have axis of symmetry. X equals to, we need to draw a vertical line or broken line. So, from focus to directrix. Okay? For x equals to, this is the location of r positive 2, then we need to draw a broken line. So, this is now our final figure of parabola opens upward, which focusing on this problem, the quantity of x minus 2 squared equals 8 times the quantity of y minus 1. Okay? If meron ka natutunan, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.